Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to teach you how to write long posts on Facebook with color background. Okay, let me just show you a sample. Let's go to my Facebook and you see this post. You see the long post, and even you have to click on the see more for you to see it more, and you have to keep scrolling before you can see all the posts. Okay, how am I able to achieve this? Don't worry, just watch this video to the end and I will teach you the trick I usually apply. Let me go to my Facebook and show you my WhatsApp and show you the post I want to post. So this is the post I want to post on my Facebook. You see, the post is quite long, and let's copy the post. And ordinarily, when you go to your Facebook, let me just close my Facebook first, and you want to post, you will see that we want to post now. So see, Facebook will bring backgrounds for you, but immediately you post a long post, it will remove the background automatically. Why? Because your text or your post is more than a normal post in which Facebook would add a background to it. I hope you understand. So let's try it again for you to see. Let's discard the post, then write post again. You see, so it will bring background. You can choose any background you want, then immediately you post, it will remove the background. But here is a trick I would teach you. So here is the trick. You discard the post. So what is in your mind? Click on it. Then you immediately, we've copied the post, right? So we've copied the post from where we typed it. Then you long press on where you want to post, and it will bring paste. Then you click on paste. Hope you understand. As you click on paste, do you see this? So it brings my post with a background, and you can choose any background you want. Hope you get that. You can choose any background. So this is all my posts. Okay, so and you can even edit. You can edit anything. You can remove anything. Okay, you can remove the the star that is there. Let me remove this star also, but you shouldn't add anything else. So you should complete your posts anywhere else, maybe on Facebook, on your notepad, or any of your writing app. Okay, let's just say immediately I can remove this one, the exclamation mark, but if you add dots to it, full stop to it, automatically the trick won't work again. Okay, good. So it works, but sometimes it won't work again. Let us add more. So you see, it can still work more, but sometimes it may not work. That's why you have to just do anything you want to do. Let's just say, okay, let's put something here. Like this, you can keep, you see. So that's why you have to just, and all these, you see, I've added something and it's removed the background. So I can just copy this. Let me just copy this and back it using the trick I taught you. I just taught you. Long press, paste. Have you seen it? So that's how to post a long post on Facebook with a background. Hope you understand that. So you can use that for any of your posts, and that's what I usually use for my own post. So though the post shouldn't be too long, but a long post like this, that's an ordinary Facebook status, or an ordinary Facebook won't put a background to. So you can use that trick to put background to any of your posts. I hope this video is beneficial. If so, don't forget to subscribe to Axo Designs, to like, to comment, so that I can know if it actually work over there also. And also don't forget to share to your family and friends. Bye. See you later.